I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account and available funds so a winning bid clears immediately. Once done, search the exact item and size and compare the lowest ask versus recent sale prices to gauge market. Now enter your bid amount and choose an expiration period. Make sure to include shipping and Stockx fees in your total. You place the bid and the platform holds your payment authorization. That reserves your offer until it fills or expires. After placing your bid, you actively monitor the market depth and sale cadence so you know whether your offer will execute. If momentum shifts, raise your bid in measured steps instead of large jumps. This preserves value while improving fill chances. Use Stockx tools like instant buy comparisons and consider proxy or timed strategies to stay competitive. Once you see a matching ask, the trade will execute automatically. If not, make a calculated tweak or cancel before expiration to redeploy funds. When your bid fills, you immediately receive confirmation and Stockx captures payment so the seller ships to authentication. You then track the shipment to the authenticator and once delivered to you, inspect condition and authenticity. File a dispute within the platform window if something's wrong. If a bid fails, check for payment authorization holds, overlapping bids, or an expired offer. These are the common culprits. If funds look locked or a transaction is inconsistent,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.